This is the best backpacking meal I have ever had. And it's not because I've been hiking for days and it's cold and rainy and windy. But this is so good. Every bite, I'm like, wow, wow, audibly, wow. I am in my tent in Iceland. I am hiking the Laugavegur Trail, and I just made my dinner. It's by Peak. I already tore off the top Peak Refuel, and it's butternut dal Bhat with red lentils, chickpeas, rice, and butternut squash. I don't know how I can... It's so like creamy and like cheesy and just so good. It's so good. Wow, it's so good. I don't normally eat backpacking meals when I'm hiking. For the last couple of trails, I've cold soaked like couscous and pre-made meals that I've made beforehand, but I wanted to be a little extravagant for this hike since it was only going to be like 4 nights. And so I bought 4 different backpacking meals. I'll show some of the ones that I got. The first night I had backpacker pantry pad thai, and I did not like it at all, which was really disappointing because I really like pad thai. Last night I had this Kathmandu curry from Nomad Nutrition, and it was pretty good. It was pretty good. But this is so good. And then tomorrow night I'm gonna have the Mexican quinoa bowl by Good to Go. So I've never had these brands before, besides probably Backpacker's Pantry. And yeah, so I just wanted to test things out, and you know, they're pretty pricey, and that's why I don't normally get these kind of meals because, you know, they're like $10 to like $15-16 a pop, and like that's just not practical. Except for this time, since I was only gonna be like 4 nights, I figured I could splurge and just try some things out. And because I was gonna bring the jet boil anyway because it was gonna be cold, I figured why not go all in. And this is so good. So good. What else to say? I don't know. The hike has been beautiful and difficult and challenging, but extraordinary. Major extremes, I'd say. Just the landscape, spectacular, unlike anything I've seen. Sometimes reminds me of Nepal in some ways. And then, but then as for the weather, like, makes the hike difficult, as in a couple nights ago, my worst camping experience I've ever had. My tent collapsed, broke a pole, ripped hole in my rainfly and my tent, ended up having to sleep on the floor of the hut's kitchen. Like, I thought I was gonna have to sleep in the shower. I thought I was gonna have to quit my hike and hike back the next day to get a bus out. Like, it was bad. And a lot of other people's tents broke as well. Anyway, that's just a hike recap I wanted to just share about this food. So good. You will not be disappointed. I would eat this like in normal life every day. It's that good. I'm gonna try to like make it now in the real world to see if I can make something this good, because I could eat that every day. So good. All right.